Hey you guys, I'm singing a song. It's called Stand in the Rain by Supertramp. I chose to film the song because the song personally have gotten me through a lot itself and the meaning behind it. And the song's pretty much explaining you can't stand alone, but you can't give up. No matter what, you always have that person you can talk to, and don't let the fears overcome yourself. You can be going through the hardest thing in your life right now, and you just want to give up. But this kind of just gives you the inspiration to not give up and to push through it. So, here. She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears that it's cries that first tear. The tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. She won't make a sound. Alone in this fight with herself in the fears, whispering, if she stands, she'll fall down. She wants to be found. The only way out is there, everything she's running from. Wants to give up and lie down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. Okay, so yeah, that's the song I'm gonna be singing for Blast this year. I would like to know what you guys think, so comment. Thanks.